This car is a Toyota Alphard. The problem with this car is that the sliding door of the car cannot be opened automatically. Why is the automatic sliding door of this Toyota Alphard car not working? What is the problem and how to solve it? I will show you step by step in this video. To open the sliding door automatically, I pulled the door handle outwards. See, the sliding door does not open automatically. Now I enter the car. I click the automatic power door switch, but the slide door didn't open. Now I'll test the door handles inside the car. The door does not open automatically using the inside door handle of the car. Now I'll take the sliding door cover off and check inside to see if there's a problem with the automatic power door not working. Watch the full video. Inshallah, you will be able to solve the problem. On behalf of this channel, I extend my sincere greetings and congratulations to you. Open the door cover and show them what the problem is, that the slide door is not opening automatically. The Toyota Alphard slide door control attachment cable has snapped from inside the motor. The problem with the automatic sliding door not working is that the cable has come loose from the motor. This car slide door control attachment cable, I'll show you how to open and change and fix the problem. Open the car door and open it a little. Now I will remove the car door cable and the attached motor. Now I'm going to go outside the car and disconnect the door cable. You can see a small black cover at the back of the car. The door cable is installed inside this cover. One side of the sliding door cable is locked inside this cover. How to open the cover. When opening the cover, be careful not to damage it. To open this cover, press it from the back to the front. The cover is held in place by the cover locks. I opened the cover and took it out. You can also open it in the same way. See the sliding door cable locked inside. The sliding door cable can be opened this way but cannot be installed this way. I will show you how to install the cable during installation. Now I will go inside the car and take it out, along with the door control motor and cables. I took out the door cable. I took out the sliding door control motor. The sliding door attached control motor has been brought second-hand original. Now I will install this sliding door attached control motor. The slide door attach control motor has been installed inside the car. I connected the cable socket. First, complete the installation of the attached control motor in the sliding door. Then connect this cable. I connected the sliding door cable. Now I will connect the door cable to the back of the car. Remove the Allen key screw to connect the door cable. Now I will unscrew it and take it out. Look, this is the bracket inside. Take it out like this. Lock the door cable into this bracket. It will be a little hard to lock the door cable, but be careful not to damage the PVC lock. I locked the door cable and stuck it in the bracket. This is how you install the door cable. Now I will put the screws in. Now I will put this cover on. Everything is installed. Now we'll test it to see if the automatic sliding door works or not. Sliding door opens automatically. The sliding door closes automatically. The automatic sliding door is not working due to a problem with the door control attach cable. Thank you very much for watching the video in full.